Social stories is a way that we convey information about an event, an activity, a social situation to others who might have a hard time with understanding and processing verbal communication. This is especially important during times when we might be out of our normal routine, whether it's explaining to your kids that we're out of school right now, that might be a little off what we normally do at this time of year, or whether it's teaching them how to take turns at game playing, making a sandwich, washing the laundry, making cookies. Utilize social stories to help you make it through each day and help the individual that you're helping just have an easier go at understanding the steps and the process of doing something that might be out of the norm. The first thing you're going to need are pictures. It's great if you can use actual photographs. So here you can see I've taken some photographs. So if you could use the actual photographs that include your child and the subject that you're talking about, that would be best. Most kids love to see themselves in pictures. But if that's not possible, Google Images has tons to offer and can be easily accessed. So you just go to Google, click on Images, and you plug in there, school. And here you have it. You have a bunch of pictures that you could choose from of schools. Add your words and then print. Once your pictures are printed, then all you need to do is put them into some kind of laminator. So you could get laminating pouches from the store, pretty quick and easy. And here's something even easier, sheet protectors. So you just take the sheet protectors out, slip it inside, and then pop them in some kind of binder. I like this kind because it has a see-through front. And all you gotta do is put the clips in. So here we have it. My school is closed. My name is Faraz. I go to Dawson Lakes Elementary School. Sometimes schools close when many people are sick. There are things I can do while I'm home waiting for school to open again. I can bake cookies with Mom. I can read my favorite books. I could play outside with my brother. I could practice schoolwork at home. There are lots of things I could do. I can't wait to go back to school. Social stories can help kids learn new skills, positively change behavior, and create better ways to cope with things when they get a little wonky. They're written in the first person, focus on one thing or event, and have a positive story to tell.